Ay, sige, ititim mo. Hi, come.
Hi, come.
Look at the bed. This is our room. Meron siyang ano. Ay! We have a big cabinet. Cabinet here and there. A lot of drawers. There's TV. Dapat kanina pa natin yung ginawa. More drawers. Oh, look at ano. Look at the view. Parking lot. The view is the parking lot.
Here?
Yeah, you. What? Ano, Aryan, wait for Owen. Yeah. Oo, itong ano. Itong parking. We're going now. Thank you, Hilton. There's our things. Napasayo kami. Bye! Here's the hotel. Hindi kami nakapag-swimming. Wala na kaming time. Doon lang kami sa isang... Here you go! Bye! Parang ang ano...
Wala rin ako kanina?
Oo.
May lunch po kaya ako dito.
Talaga.
Kami bayad.
Here's my Trader Joe's bag. My God, it's so hot. We're going to our second hotel. Same as Hilton. Hilton pa rin. Open the door. And it's hot! Oh my God! So hot! Where's the car?
It's better than coffee.
Yeah.
There's three for you, one for me?
No, one for me, three for you.
I was about to say.
Ooh.
Hi guys! Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Punta na sa parking lot. Andito kami sa Anaheim. Anaheim Garden Walk. Parking lot. Sa parking lot. Hi guys! Today is our second day in Anaheim. Wait lang, naggagawa ako ng video dito. Kinakausap mo. Second day namin sa Anaheim. Halika rito. Second day namin sa Anaheim today. Ang plano ay wala kaming plano. Rundown. Pero nandito kami ngayon sa Anaheim Packing House. Ito. There you go. Ayan ang packing. Apple, wait lang. Ayan ang packing house. Poy Poy.
That's the
Si
mic.
Owen at si Aryan here.
It's like a pin.
And let's go. Let's check this out. Let's check the place. Where are we gonna go first? On the top or the bottom? I don't know. Let's go. Okay, we don't know where we're going. Just gonna walk around.
Oh, right here? Yeah.
So, yeah, packing district. Oh, there's a rose. No pets. Oh, wait, bawal daw ang pets. Bawal ang pets. No outside food. No smoking. No shirt, shoes required.
It's a shoes.
It's just shoes. Just shoes. Here you go. Oh, see, I told you. Oh. dito.
Decent.
So pretty here. Let's try the dessert. Dessert. You wanna try dessert? Asahi bowl. Apple likes it. Here's the menu.
What is sunset strawberry lemonade?
May matcha, fruit drinks, coffee, milk tea. So, ayan na. Dumating na ang kanyang coconut smoothie na nakalagay sa coconut, ano tawag dyan? Shell? Coconut shell. Yay! With umbrella. Cute! Inumin mo na. Mini Monster. Masarap. Totoong ano, coconut. Kasi may ano pa siya, ang tawag doon? Yung buko niya? Pulp niya. Yung texture. Good. Very good.
Hey.
Is that yours? Yeah. Stick your knife. Okay, let's try.
That's my mini monster.
Okay. Time for swimming. Swimming time! Yay!
Sweet.
Wait. This is the hallway. Ay, saan ba tayo? Ay, sorry. Yan, kids. The children. Children of corn. We're going down. Ano kakatakot naman dyan?
Unyielding timber.
Wrong way.
Unyielding timber.
We're going to the pool.
Because we're cool.
Yeah, we're going to the pool
It's
because we're
cool.
cool. And it's cool. And pool later.
In the pool.
Okay. Chaperon. Here's the pool. You have a big head. Hi guys! Ako ay bantay sa aking mga chikiting na nagsiswimming. Yan sila. Siswim na. Gusto ko sana mag-swimming kaso wala si daddy. Ay, ay, ay. So, bantay lang tayo. Bantay. Correct. Hi guys! It's our third day today. Ang aking kids na maganda. Come here. We're going to Portos. Gonna get some goods for study. So, dito kami sa Portos. Bibili ng mga pasalubong. Pasalubong. With daddy. Daddy, oh. Saan ka? Yan. Ang aming kids. Hi, kids. Where's daddy? Ayun, nandun sa likod. Ayun na. Portos. Portos Bakery and Cafe. Akala ko noon ang Portos, Filipino cafe. Hindi pala. Iniwaan na ako ng aking kadate. Ayan. Bakery. The bread. Pistachio. They even have juice. I like that. Yummy macarons, pistachios. Hi guys, we made it. We're not home but almost. We're here sa San Francisco outlet. Today is Mama's birthday, so before heading home, bibili kami ng gift. Dito sa San Francisco outlet. Ang go-to namin na outlet. Nag-stop kami sa gitna. Ano ba yan? Sarado pa siya. 10 o'clock pa siya mag-open. Pero 10 o'clock na. Picture muna. So, ayan. Lakad-lakad ang kids. Nasa car pa. Magpapalit pa ng damit si Owen. Pero kami ay magre-restroom muna. Okay. Later. Bye. Yan. Ang favorite ni Mamang store, Michael Kors. Closed pa. For 15 more minutes.